Since its launch in 2017, the second generation of the Volkswagen Tiguan compact SUV has become the best-selling Volkswagen in America, mirroring its global success. For the 2022 model year, Volkswagen of America will launch a refreshed model with new styling and technology to elevate its compelling blend of utility and performance. On the outside, the Volkswagen Tiguan keeps its iconic look, but sharpens it with a completely revised front end. A distinctive bumper and broad grille are complemented by standard LED headlights and daytime running lights, DRLs, and can be accented further by an available illuminated light line flanking the VW logo. The top two trims feature updated, sporty R-line design elements, including bumpers and side sills. The distinctive side profile of the Tiguan remains with its strong character line carrying from the front fender through to the standard LED taillights. Newly centered Tiguan lettering on the rear matches Volkswagen family styling from the Arteon to the all-new Taos. The 2022 Tiguan will be available in 8 exterior colors including new Oryx White and King's Red Metallic, and every trim level receives new wheels, ranging from 17-inch to 20-inch aluminum alloy designs. Inside, the Volkswagen Tiguan boasts updated technology throughout its cabin. The Volkswagen Digital Cockpit Instrument Cluster now comes standard with an 8-inch display, 10-inch Digital Cockpit Pro available, as does Volkswagen CarNet with in-car Wi-Fi capability when you subscribe to a data plan. From the second trim in the revised lineup, MIB3 infotainment is standard along with wireless charging and wireless app connect for compatible devices.